Good morning, viewers. This is JNR. Now we learn orthocenter of the triangle. Find the orthocenter of the triangle. Given equations. Given three equations. Find out orthocenter of the triangle. Most important. So first of all, now we draw one triangle. A, B, C. A, B, C is a triangle. So, three equations are given. What is the first equation? X plus y plus 10 equal to 0. Now, this line equation x plus y plus 10 equal to 0. Second one, this one x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Third one, 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. So, now solving these two equations we get A. Next, solving these two equations we get A. Solving these two equations we get C. So, how can solve? First of all, given equations, given equations of a triangle, x plus y plus 10 equal to 0. This is equation 1. Second one, x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. This is equation 2. Next, 2x plus y minus 7 equal to 0. This is equation 3. First of all, solving 1 and 2. Solve these two equations, we get A. So, solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. 1 and 2, any equations by solving by cross multiplication method is very easy. How can find out cross multiplication? First of all, observe these equations. Which coefficients? Y coefficients first of all we write. Y coefficient here how much? Plus 1. 1. Here y coefficient minus 1. Now we consider these two equations only. Next we take constant 10. Here minus 2. First of all write y coefficients. Here 1. Here minus 1. 1 minus 1. Next we write constants 10 minus 2. Next we write x coefficients. Here x coefficient is 1. Here 1. Next, first we write which one? These coefficients again we write last. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. By using cross multiplication. Here we write x, y, now we take constant 1. So, AD minus BC formula. AD minus BC. X by AD. 1 into minus 2. 1 into minus 2. 1 into minus 2 minus 2. AD minus BC. B. Minus 1 into 10. Minus 10. Minus 10. That equal to y by AD. 10 into 1. 10. Minus BC. Minus 2 into 1. Minus 2. Equal to 1 by 1 into minus 1. Minus 1. AD minus BC. 1 into 1. 1. That implies x by minus 2 minus into minus plus 10 equal to y by 10 minus into minus plus 2 equal to 1 by minus 1 minus 2. That implies x by minus 2 plus 10. 10 minus 2, 8. X by 8 equal to y by 10 plus 2, 12 equal to 1 by minus 2. X by minus 2 plus 8, 10. 8, 10 minus 2, 8. Y by 10 plus 2, 12. 1 by minus 2. That implies, and now we write x. X by 8 equal to 1 by minus 2. X equal to 8 ones are 8 by minus 2, comma, y equal to 12 ones are 12 by minus 2. Now, here 2 is cancelled in 4 times. Here 2 is cancelled in 6 times. So, x equal to, that implies x equal to, here minus is there, minus 4. Y equal to, here minus is there, y equal to minus 6. X equal to minus 4, y equal to minus 6. This is A. A equal to minus 4, minus 6. Now we write A point. Minus 4, minus 6. Next we find out B. Next one, B. Solving 1 and 2 is over. 1 and 2, solve the equations 1 and 2 is over. Next we find out solving 2 and 3. Solve 2 and 3. Second equation and third equation. By using cross multiplication. First of all, write y coefficients. Minus 1. Here plus 1. Next constants. Minus 2. Here minus 7. Next x coefficients. Here 1. Here 1. Here 2. X coefficients 1, 2. Next, first we write the coefficients, again we write last. Minus 1, 1. By using cross multiplication. X, Y, 1. X by using formula AD minus BC. AD minus 1 into minus 7. Minus into minus plus. 7 ones are 7. AD minus BC. 1 into minus 2. Minus 2 equal to y by AD minus 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Here minus 4. Next, AD minus BC. Minus 7 into 1. 1 into minus 7. Minus 7. Equal to 1 by 1 into 1. 1. AD minus BC. 2 into minus 1. Minus 2. That implies x by 7 minus into minus plus 2, y by minus 4 minus into minus plus 7 equal to 1 by 1 minus into minus plus 2. That implies x by 7 plus 2, 9, y by minus 4 plus 7, 7 minus 4, 3 equal to 1 by 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. That implies now we write x value. X equal to 9 ones are 9 by 3. y equal to 3 ones are 3 by 3. Here x equal to 3 how many times cancelled? 3 times. 3 3s are 9. Y equal to 3 ones are 3. X equal to 3, y equal to 1. This is B. B equal to 3 1. B equal to 3 1. This is the B. B equal to 3 1. 3 1. Next, 1 and 2 solving, we get A. 2 and 3, we get B. Next, 3 and 1, solving 1 and 3. Solve 1 and 3. Solve 1 and 3, we get C. So, equation 1. Equation 1, y coefficient is how much? First of all, write y coefficients. Here, y coefficient is 1. Third equation, y coefficient is 1. Next, constant. First equation 1, constant is 10. Third equation, constant minus 7. Next, x coefficient. Equation 1, x coefficient is 1. Third equation, x coefficient is 2. First coefficients, write again write 1, 1. Once observe this one, y coefficients. Here 1, third equation, y coefficient 1. Constant 10 minus 7. X coefficient 1, 2. Here first two coefficients, we write last by using cross multiplication. X, y, 1. X by AD minus BC. 1 into minus 7. Minus 7. AD minus BC. 1 into 10. 10. Equal to y by 10 into 2. 20. AD 10 into 2. 20. Minus BC. 7 minus 7 into 1. Minus 7. Minus 7. That equal to 1 by 1 into 1. 1 minus 2 into 1. 2. 1 minus 2. That implies x by minus 7 minus 10 minus 17. Y by 20 minus into minus plus 7 equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 minus 1. That implies x by, and now we write x value, x by minus 17 equal to y by 20 plus 7, 27 equal to 1 by minus 1. 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. That implies x equal to minus 17 into 1, minus 17 by minus 1. Y equal to 27 into 1, 27 by minus 1. That implies x equal to, here minus minus cancel, 17. Y equal to, denominator having minus means total fraction, total value is minus. Minus 27. What is the x value? 17. Y value minus 27. This point is C. C equal to 17 minus 27. This is the point C. 17 minus 27. First of all, equations are given. Find orthocenter means first of all find out the points. How can find out the points? Solving the equations. First equation, given equations, 3 equations, solving 1 and 2 we get A. Solving 2 and 3 we get B. Solving 1 and 3. Solving 1 and 3, we get C. Okay, these are points A, B, C. Okay, points, first of all you find points -4, -6A, 3, 1B, 17, -27. That is the C point. Next we find out orthocenter of the triangle. Orthocenter means altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. First of all, draw an altitude. This altitude is perpendicular is there. Now this point is D. AD. AD is altitude. So next again another altitude. This is E. AD is perpendicular to BC. BE is perpendicular to AC. So AD, BE are altitudes of a triangle. First of all, we find out the equations, AD equation and BE equation. After that, solving the two equations, we get orthocenter. Okay, how can find out the equation? Formula is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So first of all, find out slope of BC. Slope of BC bar equal to, what is the BC? B is x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1, minus 27, y2 minus y1, minus 1 by x2, 17 minus x1, 1. Now we consider this point is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. y2 minus y1 minus 27 minus 1 by 17 minus 1. 27 x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1 minus 27 minus 1 by x2, 17 minus x1. x1 is 3. Sorry, 3. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Minus 27 minus 1, minus 28 by 17 minus 3, 14. How many times? 2 times. Minus 2. Minus 2. This is the slope of BC bar. So AD bar is perpendicular to BC bar. AD bar is perpendicular to BC bar. Then slope of AC bar, AD bar equal to perpendicular line slope minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m. That equal to minus 1 by m. What is the slope? Minus 2. Minus minus is cancelled. So slope of AD bar is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Next, equation of AD bar. Equation of AD bar equal to equation of AD bar. Now we find out equation of AD bar. So what is the equation formula? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now we consider this point, A point is x1, y1. Now we consider x1, y1. Y minus y1. Equation of AD bar is y minus y1. This point is x1, y1. y1 is minus 6. Y minus y1 equal to m. Slope of AD bar. Slope of AD bar is 1 by 2. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. x1 is minus 4. That implies y minus into minus plus 6 equal to 1 by 2 into x minus into minus plus 4. By using cross multiplication, 2 into y plus 6 equal to 1 into x plus 4. That implies 2 into y, 2y plus 2 6 are 12 equal to 1 into x, x plus 4. Now we take these terms LHS to RHS. That implies x plus 4. Here 2y it becomes minus 2y plus 12 it becomes minus 12 equal to 0. That implies x minus 2y, x minus 2y, 4 minus 12. 4 minus 12 how much? Minus 8 equal to 0. X minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. This is equation 4. This is equation 4. X minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. This is AD bar equation. Next we find BE bar equation. BE bar is perpendicular to AC bar. First of all we find out slope of AC bar. Slope of AC bar equal to AC. Now we consider this point is x1, y1, x2, y2. What is the slope? y2 minus y1. y2 minus 27 minus y1. x1, y1. y1 is minus 6 by y2 minus y1 by x2 17 minus x2 minus x1 minus 4. y2 minus y1 minus 27 minus of minus 6. x2 minus x1 17 minus of minus 4. That equal to minus 27 minus into minus plus 6 by 17 minus into minus plus 4. That equal to minus 27 plus 6. How much? Minus 21 by 17 plus 4. 21. 21 minus 21. 21, 21 one time cancel. Minus 1. This is slope of AC bar. So BE bar is perpendicular to AC bar. BE bar is perpendicular to AC bar. BE bar is perpendicular to AC bar. So slope of AC bar equal to slope of BE bar. Slope of BE bar equal to minus 1 by m. That equal to minus 1 by m. M is, so here this one minus 1. Minus minus cancel. That equal to 1. Slope of BE bar is 1. Next we find out equation of BE bar. Equation of BE bar equal to, BE bar is, now we consider B point is x1, y1. Y minus y1. Y minus y1. y1 is 1 equal to m. M is 1. Here slope of BE bar, that is m. M into x minus x1. X minus x1 is 3. Now we consider this point is x1, y1. Y minus 1 equal to m means slope of BE bar. 1 into x minus 3. That implies y minus 1 equal to 1 into x, x minus 3. Now we take these terms LHS to RHS. That implies x minus 3. Now we write this one, plus y becomes minus y. Minus 1 it becomes plus 1 equal to 0. That implies x minus y minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. X minus y minus 2 equal to 0. This is equation of BE bar. This one is fifth equation. X minus y minus 2 equal to 0. This is equation of BE bar. Next, solving these two equations, we get orthocenter. So solve 4 and 5. Fourth equation is AD bar equation. Fifth equation is BE bar equation. Solving these two equations, we get ortho center. Solve 4 and 5. Solve 4 and 5. Solve 4 and 5. Fourth equation by using cross multiplication. First of all, write y coefficients. Fourth equation y coefficient is -2. -2. Fifth equation y coefficient -1. -1. Next we write constants. -8. Here constant -2. Next we write x coefficient. Here 1. Fifth equation 1. Next first coefficients we write again last. -2, -1. Once check that one. First of all, y coefficient write -2, -1, -2, -1. Constants -8, -2, -8, -2. X coefficients 1, 1. First coefficients we write last. Next, x, y, 1. X by AD minus BC. AD -2 into -2. Minus into minus plus. 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. AD minus BC. -1 into -8. Minus into minus plus 1 8s are 8. Equal to y by -8 into 1, -8. -8 into 1, -8. AD minus BC. -2 into 1, -2. Equal to 1 by 1 into -1, -1. Minus AD minus 1 into -2, -2. That implies x by 4 minus 8, -4. Y by -8, minus into minus, plus 2. Minus into minus plus 2. Equal to 1 by -1, minus into minus plus 2. That implies x by -4 equal to y by -8 plus 2 -6 equal to 1 by -1 plus 2. 2 minus 1, 1. That implies x equal to -4 into 1, -4. 1 by 1 means 1. -4 into 1, -4. Comma y equal to -6 into 1, -6. X comma y equal to -4 comma -6. This is ortho center of the triangle. Therefore ortho center equal to -4 -6. This is the ortho center of the triangle. All of you understand this one. This process, lengthy process is there. Equations are given. Find out ortho center means first of all find out points. Solving first and second equation we get A point. Solving second and third equation we get B point. Solving 1 and 3 equation, third equation, first and third equation we get C point. After that, now we draw altitudes AD, BE. Now we find out AD bar equation, BE bar equation. Solving these two equations we get ortho center. Okay students, once observe this one. Okay students, please like and share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.